welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. This is for the new people. Hi, I'm in class 12 of the CBSE board. I'm a commerce student and I have my economics exam tomorrow, so I'm going to be studying for that today. So obviously there's not a lot to study because I just have to revise everything. But anyway, let's get started.
Good morning, guys. My study table is a little too messy, so I'm going to start off by decluttering it and putting away all the books and other stuff I don't need. It's just so important to get rid of all the stuff I don't need. It just puts me into the right zone and I can study more efficiently. At least one day before the exam, I try to wake up around the time when the actual exam starts. But today was just not that day because it's the last exam and I'm already tired of studying. So I woke up aram se. And I am ready to start the day. I'm just revising the back exercise of 2 chapters which I had not done before. I just got done with my lunch and here's an ASMR, I guess. Since I'm done with the back exercise of every chapter, I'm going to solve the CBSE sample paper of 2020. I'm doing the sample paper because I have completed all the syllabus and also my exam is of the full syllabus. So this is a great way to revise everything I've studied. If you've watched my previous videos, you already know I always take a break by watching YouTube videos. It's very important to take breaks because only then I'll be able to study for even longer in the next study session. Now I'm just revising some notes I've written before. Just eating a fruit while studying because I just get really hungry while studying. Is that the same for you? The best way to revise a chapter is by reading the key points that are given at the back. And I'm just enjoying some corn with it. And I'm almost done just revising the last chapter. Finally done, and I'm excited for dinner. We're having pasta. Since I couldn't go down in the evening, I went for a walk after dinner.
And yeah, that's the end of the day as well as this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed my study vlog. If you've made it till here, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram for more updates. And also, this is the last video of 2020. So first of all, Happy New Year to everyone. We've all made it through 2020, which is awesome. And I hope 2021 is much better than 2020 at least. Also, you should definitely consider subscribing because I'm going to be posting a lot more in 2021. I'll be posting a variety of content like hauls and study vlogs and other lifestyle vlogs in general and travel vlogs hopefully. So please subscribe and I'll see you next year. Until next time, bye.